Hello everyone, my name is Qian and I'm 5 years old. Today I'm going to recite 2 poems. The first poem is Everybody Has a Name. Everybody has a name. Some are different, some the same. Some are short, some are long. All are right, none are wrong. I like my name. It's special to me. It's exactly who I want to be. The second poem is Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Trees more words, so much to add. For all your love and all your support, a million words would be too short. The words I love you seems to express the love I have for you. Thank you.